Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to recover your deleted text messages. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have iPhone open here and it's on my messages. If you sent a text message to somebody and you want to try to recover it and it's not on here, obviously you've deleted it, I'll walk you through two different options that you have in terms of recovering those. Let's hop out of here and then go into settings. The first thing that you'll want to look at is, you can see at the very top, iCloud. You'll want to see if there's any other devices, whether you have an iPad or another iPhone or a Mac, Macbook, whatever. If you have another device that has iOS or has iCloud, then you might be able to see and recover those deleted messages on that device. So that's the very easiest thing you can do, is just look and think if you have any other devices that are linked to iCloud, and then check messages on that device. If that doesn't work, the next step, what you can do is go into settings, as I did, tap at the very top, and then just tap on iCloud, and then manage storage. And when this pops up, you'll tap on backups, and then this phone. And what this does is it shows you the last time that iCloud backed up this iPhone. And you can see that it was yesterday. So if we restore your iPhone to this backup from yesterday, it'll be basically an identical restoration, and it'll recover all of your deleted text messages and everything. So to do that, we just back out of here, go back to settings, and then we'll want to go on general. And then at the very bottom, you can see reset. You'll tap on that, and then you'll tap erase all content and settings. And what this will ask you is, do you want to back up your iPhone right now and then erase it, or do you want to just erase it now? And what you want to tap is erase now, because when once it's done resetting and erasing it to factory settings, then you'll log in and you'll be able to back up this iPhone and restore it to the backup from yesterday. And that'll recover all of your deleted messages, everything. So you just go through that process, and it'll have a mirror image of your iPhone as it was in the most recent backup. So then you'll be able to recover all those messages. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.